Hello friends, I welcome you all to my channel. Today I have taken very short question which was asked in JEE main. Question is, it is from probability. 3 dice are rolled. If the probability of getting different numbers on the 3 dice is equal to P over Q, where P and Q are co-prime, then Q minus P is equal to 4, 2, 3, 1. Out of these 4 options, you have to choose the correct one. So 3 dice are rolled means the sample space will be 6 multiply 6 multiply 6. So it will be 216. Now probability of getting different numbers on the 3 dice. 3 dice. That means number of favorable outcomes we can assume that there are 3 events. First event is taking place in 6 ways. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Anyone will come. But when one has that means taken place for second dice, it will be different. That means it will be in 5 ways or 5 outcomes will be there. And for third, again 2 are already taken place, so it will be 4. For third, there will be 4 options. So total is your 120. So probability of getting different numbers equals to your 120 over 216. We can cancel with 6, 20, 6, 3, 18, 6. Again it will be your, we can cancel with 4. This will be 5 over 9. So it is given to be P over Q. P over Q is 5 over 9. So what is the value of Q minus P? Q minus P equals to 9 minus 5. That will be 4. So 1 is correct. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not done yet. Like the video, share the video and comment down.